Hello, this is Brandon with Through Glass Window Cleaning. We're here today doing some concrete cleaning, and what we have here is a situation where the algae has grown on the concrete and it's created a huge eyesore. Not only that, it's slippery, so it's a safety issue. So what we're going to do today is we're cleaning the concrete. As you can see, a homeowner tried to do it themselves, and you can see what the result was. It looks like Zorro was here, but we're gonna take care of that, and so check it out. As you can see, we were able to effectively remove the lines from the concrete that were caused by a homeowner and their Home Depot pressure washer. So if you have a situation like this and you want it to look from this, you want it to look like that, give us a call. Through Glass Window Cleaning, we'll get it clean.